Rotarians, Rotarianis of RI District 3262, a hearty and warm invitation to Utsak 2014 Assembly of Rotary Leaders at Chandipur on Sea, Balasore on the 19th and 20th of April 2014. Balasore is known for its unique Chandipur beach, where the sea recedes a few kilometers every day, exposing a vast expanse of seabed to the delight of the visitors. This unique character of the Chandipur coastline has made it the weapons testing ground of India's defense forces. All of India's modern tactical armaments, long and short-range missiles are test fired from the Chandipur test range at Balasore. Rotary Club of Balasore is working closely with its co-hosts, namely Baripada, Jaleshwar, Bhadrak and Bhadrak Midtown on the blueprints of the forthcoming District Assembly Utsak 2014 at Chandipur on Sea. All-out effort and planning is being made for proper accommodation, transportation, air-conditioned conference venue, sightseeing, exquisite food and captivating entertainment to make Utsak 2014 a happening and memorable event for the visiting Rotarians and their families. Let's take a peek at the history, culture and heritage of Balasore. Balasore is a place where the Dutch, French and the English dropped their anchors for trade and commerce between the 15th and 16th century. While the Dutch and the French left Balasore, the English stayed on, and the rest is borne out in history. The town has many British-era buildings and edifices, some of which presently houses government offices, schools, and many are in a state of ruins. Balasore has a rich literary and cultural heritage, and the town bustles with cultural and literary activities throughout the year. The town takes pride in being the birthplace of a literary stalwart like Fakir Mohan Senapati, who is considered as the savior of Odia language. Fakir Mohan published the first Odia newspaper, commissioned the first Odia printing press, and with his outstanding literary and intellectual prowess, saved the Odias from ignominy. Balasore too has its share of freedom fighters, and many unsung heroes lay in unmarked graves, but Biplabi Bagha Jatin is very close to the heart of people of Balasore. He chose the gun to fight the British and fought many bloody battles till the last drop of blood in his body. Balasore is fairly industrialized and has plastic, paper, ferroalloys and tire industry, besides many small-scale industries producing various goods and articles. Balasore is also known for its bell metal products, handicrafts, granite crockery and carvings. Balramgarhi is a busy fishing harbour in Chandipur. Hundreds of fishing vessels venture into the sea from the Balramgarhi fishing base every day, and their prized catches are traded off to distant cities. Chandipur and its adjacent areas have a large number of prawn culture farms which produce tiger prawns for export. There are many places of worship and places of tourist interest in and around Balasore that attract people from far and wide. Khirochora Gopinath of Remuna, Panchalingeshwar in Nilgiri, Bhudarchandi in Sajnagar, Baba Chandaneshwar at Chandaneshwar and Jhadeshwar at Balasore attract the devout throughout the year. Is there any reason to flounder? Get moving! Do register your participation in advance to serve you better. Remember to tuck in some sunscreen lotion, a pair of goggles and bathing gears for your beach escapades. The mellow sea, a stroll on the pristine seabed, the cool of Kajurinas, exquisite seafood and warm hospitality will fill your trip with thrill and excitement for a long time to cherish. Share! Waiting to see you all at Utsak 2014, Chandipur on Sea.